Got my tactical pants on and my boots. Good morning and good afternoon. It's rare for it to be snowing in North Carolina, supposedly. Long story short, let me cut to the chase. I haven't posted in like 2 weeks or like a week and a half because, you know, TikTok got shut down. And if TikTok gets shut down, CapCut gets shut down. And I couldn't edit, bro. I had a whole video, bro.
God damn. Out of here.
So yeah, bro, it literally got banned. I lost my footage because my dumbass literally sank the footage to CapCut and I lost it. So I lost some of it, not all of it, because I didn't get to film. I didn't get to edit all of it. Now, listen, the 330 got it. Let me just show you guys. I'm gonna just shut up. Bro, I'm mad excited about that. I'm gonna leave that for another video. The point of this video is because it's snowing today, bro. This is insane. Oh my god, it is cold, bro. Oh my god, it's freezing. Damn. See, we turn on the car. Cold start on the 330. Let's see. That's about to hurt my engine right now because it's been cold. Oh my god. Imagine that shit was dumb loud. Milo Blue, you like the snow? You like the snow? Let's switch to the GoPro because I need to shovel out the car a little bit.
20 minutes later.
Your boy is done shoveling. This is the best I could do. I had to turn on this car twice, bro. This thing is insane. Oh. See, we go drift this bitch. Oh my god, these roads are iced up. This is insane. So nah, I'm not even gonna launch it. The car's not even warmed up. I gotta let this car warm up. Bro, I'm going 40, bro. Chilling.
Yeah, but I'm low, so I guess you're like turning on pictures.
Nah, your car is way too low, bro. Way too low.
Yeah. I'm like literally running on no traction.
Yeah, bro. I think it's better you for just to wait it out.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Let's go see. Damn, all of these are out of service. Sheesh. Let's see. All of these are out of service. Man, there's cops everywhere, bro. I just came to get gas. I don't know about y'all. I just came to get gas for ya. Alright. Let me go put in gas. This shit is break out here, bro.
Few moments later.
XDrive, boy, 330. You know the fucking vibe. I'm telling you, bro, this is why I get XDrive. Even if you can't make too much horsepower, bro, XDrive is the shit. Oh no, I'm from New York, bro, so I had to get XDrive, no matter what, no matter the situation. Oh my god, not the Mustang. The Mustang got it. Nah, don't back into me, bro. Don't do that. Let me get in there, boy. Let me get in there. Oh my god, my Ford car. Okay, the seats are not that bad, bro. Oh no.
A few inches later.
My car is dirty. When I say dirty, it's dirty. But we're at Dunkin'. Hi, can I get a medium
pineapple refresher, mango refresher with lemonade. And then can I also get 2 of the maple sugar bacon? And then can I get a medium cold brew with sweet cold foam, 1 sugar and 2 creams, and 3 pumps of brown sugar syrup? Let's do 2 loaded hash browns.
It's close enough.
Close enough. I said the same thing you texted me. Thank you so much. Thank you. You too. Shorty gave me a discount. Let's track this car. Oh my god. I'm pretty stoked. All right, little change of scenery, but boy JJ came through, the one with the TRD, but he can't come out because his car will plow literally every fucking driveway and every fucking road on the road. So he's too low to come, so he just Ubered his ass over here. But he did bring the 360 camera. Bro, on the GoPro it does no justice, so we're about to go put that on the car. Yo, make sure you go follow. Ooh, plug. But let me know if you guys enjoyed this video. I thank you guys for pulling up. You want some bacon? I'll see you on the next one. Deuces.